Bullish Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.99 and $5.65 by 2030. Market examiners accept Nexo could reach $2.33 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 53 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing because of the rise of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked resolutely to foster a unique cryptographic money that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable neighborhood cash. We should take a gander at the coin rundown prior to getting into a thorough value forecast of the Nexo cost. Nexo key investigation. In spite of being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very helpless and, as other digital currencies, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018. A huge increment that proposed a critical degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. In any case, it showed basically level force until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents, yet it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Startlingly, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed horrible showing, the Nexo cost showed strength, acquiring financial backer certainty and exhibiting a huge expansion in force. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As per Nexo's own insights, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million supporters overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of north of 40 critical digital forms of money are upheld, including the Nexo token along with Bitcoin, Ether, XE, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Albeit the rate is much of the time lower, clients can procure up to 16% of premium on their collateralized resources. In a new perusing, TAI was procuring 12% APR, while BTC was creating 7%. Nexo has amazing trust plot appraisals, but there are likewise plainly a few phony surveys blended in with the genuine ones. Nexo specialized examination. The cost of Nexo has a brilliant standpoint for the future since it depends on specialized investigation. Given its steady dependability, the Nexo cost forecast appears to be very hopeful going ahead. Considering our Nexo cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many undertakings will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the most exorbitant cost forecast, making Nexo a more productive venture than government-issued currency in the cryptographic money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly over an extended time, as indicated by all suitable cost expectation information. Nexo is as of now worth 66 cents USD. Nexo has moved 1.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,193,060. Nexo is as of now position 95 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $375,070,416 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Nexo value expectation 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Nexo cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 99 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 93 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of 79 cents. Nexo value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.66. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Nexo's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.33 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.46. Nexo value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.33 and any XO might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. NEXO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.13 and a low of $2 in 2025. Nexo value expectation 2026. Assuming Nexo effectively supports market feeling among digital money fans, the NEXO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, NEXO will be green in 2026. The NEXO is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $2.99, with a base cost of $2.66 and a typical cost of $2.79. Nexo value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the NEXO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.46 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.33 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, NEXO has a greatest value worth of $3.66. Nexo value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.12. On the off chance that NEXO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $4.32. Neglecting to accumulate the help NEXO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $3.99. Nexo value expectation 2029. While NEXO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $4.66 and a yearly cost close above $4.99 in 2029. Nexo value expectation 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $5.32 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.65, averaging out at $5.45. Nexo value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest NEXO cost in 2031 is projected to be $6.52 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $6.25. And the cost of the Nexo currently doesn't anticipate what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is subject to the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how NEXO will foster from now on. You could likewise investigate the subject as another option. Token holders could assist you with concluding whether you're a first-time buy in this market. It is trying to foresee a money's definite worth ahead of time.